A very good day to all my dear friends. Hope you are all doing good. Today's recipe is a very quick side dish. We are going to make capsicum or bell pepper stir fry with paneer. It's made in a slightly different way, but it comes out so delicious and it hardly takes 10 minutes to make this. It's perfect for a party also because it looks so colorful and irresistible. I'm sure your family and friends are all going to fall in love with this side dish. You can enjoy it with rotis, puris. So let's get started and make this healthy side dish.
Here we have taken bell peppers or capsicums, 3, red, yellow and green. Cut them into cubes like this. Onion also 3 small. Cut them into cubes and separate the layers like this. 1 large tomato cut into cubes. And here I have some methi that I've sauteed with garlic. This is frozen. I keep this. It comes really very handy. If you don't have this, you can also use 1 cup of fresh methi and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Oil 4 to 5 tablespoons. Grated and or crumbled paneer 1 cup. Coriander leaves 1/4 cup. And for the spices, we have garam masala powder 1/2 teaspoon. Kashmiri chilli powder 1/2 teaspoon. Spicy chilli powder 1/4 teaspoon or more if you like. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon and salt to taste. You can find the ingredients list in the description box as well. Now let's start the cooking process. Heat oil in a pan. I've used a kadai which is much easier. Once the oil is hot, add the onions. Saute them. If you are using the garlic and methi separately, then add the garlic first before adding the onions. Keep stirring them. Take care they don't become brown. We only have to toss them until they are translucent. Maintain medium flame. You can see the color is changing. Now you can add the methi and garlic. You can check out the video. I'll share the link with you. This comes really very handy. You make and freeze it and use as and when required. You can saute them for half a minute. Methi gives a lovely flavor to the dish. It's known as fenugreek in English. Such a lovely aroma in the kitchen. Now add the capsicums or bell peppers. Give them a nice stir. Maintain medium flame so that the vegetables don't become brown, as we are not adding any water to this. Cover and simmer it a bit. In between again, open and stir. This way you'll ensure that the vegetables are evenly cooked. Now you can add the tomato cubes. You can see that all the vegetables I've cut in the form of cubes. Maintain the same size. Now again we'll cover and let them cook a little bit. It doesn't take very long, less than 10 minutes this sabji is ready. And at the same time make sure that you are not overcooking the bell peppers. At this stage we can add the salt and the spice powders because the sabji is nearly done. Mix them thoroughly so that the spices are mixed evenly with all the vegetables. Lovely and colorful. Cover again and simmer it a little bit. Such stir fries require your constant attention. You can't just leave them. You have to keep stirring them time to time to ensure the cooking is done perfectly. Now add the grated paneer. Either grate it or you can crumble it with hands. Give it a nice mix. And the paneer doesn't require a lot of cooking, so we are adding this only towards the end. Mix everything. Add coriander leaves. Delicious stir fry is ready. Taste it, check the salt and adjust if required. To avoid overcooking, switch off the gas at this stage because the pan is still hot. Little bit of heat will just make the stir fry perfect. Isn't this a lovely dish? So colorful and healthy. It's even perfect for a party when you're entertaining. Everyone is going to love it. And it is so easy to make, very quick. It took less than 10 minutes. Dish it out and enjoy it with rotis, puris. Such a lovely aroma of the methi and spices. Such quick and healthy recipes are a boon. We can quickly make them when you invite your friends over. And the dish has a beautiful look too. The red and yellow bell peppers are making it look so colorful. Yeah, we are done. Make and enjoy. And don't forget to share the feedback. Your comments always encourage me and make me so happy. Friends, if you are liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. Check out these videos from my collection too. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Take care. Have a nice day.